Welcome back to the Jain Logic Training Series. In the last video we created a new field and set up the irrigation specifications for it. In this video we're going to walk through the steps on how to take a field and define the field boundary data and map out the perimeter of the field. So here's a group of fields in the almond blocks, and we're going to add in the boundaries for this almonds north field. So first step is to click the field and then go to the configuration tool, which is the tools in the top right corner. And this is going to pop up the configuration window again. And here you can see the irrigation information. But now we want to draw this field boundary, so we're going to choose geography. And this zooms out to your current location. I'm a little bit away from the field, so I'll show you how to move around in the field. So the first step to draw is we're going to go over and click this little arrow, and it'll put us in full screen mode. It just makes it easier to navigate around. And because I'm away from the field, I'm going to go to the road map, because it'll be a lot faster for me to navigate by looking at streets. So I'm going to zoom out from where I'm at, and our field's right over by Delano, so I'm going to zoom back in. And you can see we're zooming right on top of where our other fields are. Then once we get down to a zoom level that we can draw at, we'll go back to aerial. And I'm actually going to zoom in a little bit more. So here's the field we're going to draw the perimeter on. So we switch to draw. So we click the draw button, and now this turns on the drawing tools. And we can just go along and click out the perimeter of this field. Include that corner there. We're going to come up, and you can actually get fairly precise. Don't worry, if you do something you can always edit it too. So we'll just quickly click this field boundary, and there. So I got a couple of weird corners, so I'll fix that a little bit there and pull this one up a little bit. Drag that down a hair more. I'm pretty happy with that. So here we just hit stop, and now our boundary is drawn, and we can click this toggle arrow to go back to the smaller screen, and then click save, and now you have set up your field boundary. So when you go back to the home, and you can see now we've got that new field that we drew the boundary for. So it actually shows the site location within that field. So those are the steps on setting up new field boundaries.